You want some more yogurt?
Yeah.
Here you go. You want some milk?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What? What? Where are you going? Oh, you got the basketball. Oh, big ball. Nice. Good kicking. Kick it. Oh, good dribbling. Good. Oh, good. Crush, crush, crush.
Mom?
Want some more yogurt? Some more yogurt? Drink some water first. You want some yogurt? Oh, good sitting. Oh no. Where'd the ball go? Where's the ball? Oh, good job.
Mom?
Want some more yogurt? Daddy help. Here you go. Wow. Oh, what happened? You want some help? You want some help, Thomas? Yeah? There you go. He's sitting.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's wrong? Thomas, where's your blanket? Where is it? You know where it is? You do know where it is. Oh, that's good. That'll be really good on your chair.
What?
Where's your water gone? Oh. there's the water. Now we can sit down. We got our water and our blanket. How long will this last? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8 seconds. That was pretty good. We cleaned our face with the blanket too. Come here, boy. Want some yogurt time? Sit down. Good job, fix that. What happened? You sit on that one? That's gonna be tricky. You might slide backwards.
Mama. Mama.
Mama's at work. She coming home soon? You want some yogurt?
No.
No? Want some yogurt?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
No? What's wrong with the chair? Are you trying to get the bag out? Want some help? You want some help?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you're close. There you go. Hey, Thomas. Thomas, do you want to have a cookie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's go get a cookie. Daddy, go get a cookie for you? What's this? Oh. Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want? Where's the cookies? Where are the cookies? Oh, there they are. Way up in the shelf. Okay, you want to go sit in your chair? Let's go, come on. Go sit in the chair. Good job. Oh, do you want to have some uyu? Tommy, you want uyu? Okay, I get you some uyu to go with the cookies. There it is. Let's go. Let's go sit down. Cookie?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go sit down. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go sit down. Here's your cookies. You gonna come sit here? You can sit here. Okay, let's see what Daddy got in his pocket. Want some help?
Yeah.
There you go. What's this? What's this? Oh. Is that good?
Yeah.
You put it all in your mouth. Mmm. Is that for Daddy? Tell me you want another cookie? Want more? What's this? Oh, where are you going? You gonna have some uyu? Sit down. Oh, good job. You ate the cookie, girls. There goes the second cookie. Oh my gosh. You want some uyu? Can you look in my pocket for more cookies? I think they're all gone. Where's your blanket? I don't know. Where is it? Oh, you got it. You silly Billy. No more? There's more milk. You can have more milk.
No.
Want to go play hockey?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
No.
You don't want to play hockey? What do you want to do? Let's go. Want to go play? You want to go play basketball?
No.
No? You want to go build a castle?
No.
You want to read a book?
No.
You want to sing Sentoki?
No. Yeah.
Yeah. You ready? Sentoki.
No. No.
Oh, you don't want to? How about Twinkle Twinkle?
No.
No? Do you want to sing a song? Thomas, you want to sing a song? You want to sing Happy Birthday?
No.
No? You want to sing
No.
Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Yeah.
You want to do Itsy Bitsy? Itsy Bitsy
Mama?
Spider. Mama's at work? Mama's coming soon. You want to do Itsy Bitsy?
No.
Itsy
No,
Bitsy
no,
Spider.
no.
No, you don't want to do it. Oh, you going to try that chair?
Yeah.
Okay, you do it.
No.
No? Okay. Careful. Oh, it's so tricky. The chair just keeps sliding. Well, you did it. Hey, Thomas. Where's Thomas's coal? Where's your coal? You want some? Oh, you want yogurt? You want some yogurt?
This?
That's mommy's shoes. Want some yogurt?
Oh.
What's going on here? You want some yogurt? Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
You want more yogurt?
Yeah.
Okay. Mmm. Where's yours? Ooh, big monkey. Look at those chubby cheeks. Hey, Thomas. Can Daddy have some water?
Yeah.
Okay. You bring it to me? Bring it to Daddy? No? More yogurt? Here, Daddy will do it for you. Okay. Ooh. More yogurt? What do you want to do? More yogurt? You gonna get the basketball? Has it been raining outside? Yeah, it's a rainy day. Uh-oh. You want to say bye-bye to the video?
Papa.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye video. You say bye-bye? Bye-bye video.
Papa.
Bye-bye.